Hello, this is Leo. I'm going to do a lab test on LeTime Distiller by using the lab test kit. This is an EPA recognized test kit. I'm going to open this box. This is a test kit. Just take one here. So you can see there's no color change. If there's a lead, that means it should show red. So it still keeps silver, very shiny silver color. Then I'm gonna test the next spot here. See, it's silver color. That means there's no lead. I'm gonna do this one. This is a 500 milliliter. So it's shiny silver. That means no lead. And do here. I gotta do all the welding spot because some other steel they use a lead solder. Lead solder is easy to solder, but we care about the quality because we use this as well. So we want to be safe. So you're gonna see there's no red. It's keeps silver. And also gotta do the condenser as well. See, there's no red at all. No red at all. Yep. So it's good. So we passed the lab test. It means there's no lead. It's lead free. It's safe to use. I use this confirmation card to make sure it's working. So now you can see if there's a lead, then you gotta show the red color like this. Obviously, our distiller has no such color. It's lead free, as I said. Well, even actually we know that in the beginning because we use the lead free solder to do all the solder work. So yeah, we 100% sure, but we still wanna make more than 100%. So that's why we do the lead test. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any question about LeTime Distiller, leave a message here or send an email to me, so I will reply once I receive it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.